Hi everyone, it's Danielle with Northlawn Flower Farms. Today I want to share with you an easy way to make a beautiful hydrangea wreath. And I love this method of making wreaths because all we're going to need is a grapevine wreath and then hydrangea heads that are ready to be dried with just a little bit of stem attached. We don't need to worry about using glue guns or wire. So if you're working with young children and you want to include them in this project, or maybe you're like me and you visit a nursing home a lot and need to come up with gardening activities, this is a really great way to make a beautiful wreath where you only really need two things. So let me set up the table and I'll show you how to make this hydrangea wreath the easy way. So all we need for this project is a grapevine wreath, and then we need a good amount of hydrangea heads that are in the right stage for drying. And you know a hydrangea is ready to be dried when it's started to turn its antique fall color, and it's also nice and papery to the touch. You don't really feel much moisture left in these heads. If you were to be picking these hydrangeas and hanging them upside down, that's also the right time when we want to pick them for this project. So I just picked these last night and stuck them in a bucket, no special treatment. And when I was cutting them, I left about a stem length of, I would say, 4 inches. But even 2 inches to 6 inches is fine, just so you have something to stick into the wreath. So now let me show you how absolutely wonderfully easy this is. So I'm just going to take a hydrangea head with the stem, and I'm going to stick the stem into the grapevine wreath. And that's literally all there is to it. It's nice and secure in there. It's not going anywhere. And the only other thing I like to do is take them to the left and then to the right. So it gives you that nice circular full feel. So that one went to the left. So now this one's going to go to the right. This hydrangea that I'm using is Nico Blue. And now I just love it when it starts to turn its fall color of, that green with these nice pinks. But all you have to do is just keep going. Stick to the left, stick to the right. And in no time at all, you'll have a completed hydrangea wreath. Well guys, there it is, all done. I think it looks really beautiful. And isn't that just simple? And these hydrangeas will all dry in place just beautifully. And just remember, the key is don't pick these hydrangeas until they're ready for drying. Wait until they're papery, they've turned their antique fall color, and just at the point when you would hang them upside to dry, that's how we want to pick them when making a wreath this way. And then we can just hang it up and enjoy it in the home or give it away as a gift. And I really love to use this method when making all kinds of wreaths, because if I get tired of it, or if I want to use the hydrangeas for something else, I can just really easily pop them out. And then I have a grapevine wreath that's all ready to go and ready to make a new wreath with. So that's a fun bonus as well. Well, thanks so much for joining me out here in the garden today, and until next time, happy gardening. Bye!